Today, I'm visiting with Between Friends on the north side of Chicago. Between Friends is an organization dedicated to preventing domestic violence and supporting survivors in a variety of ways.
They come in here in a crisis because they are trying to break the relationship, they are suffering because of the domestic violence. So we provide counseling services and safe space for them.
Our counselors work with them kind of in the immediate aftermath of a crisis, but then also work with them as they get to start their next chapter.
A orientarte, a sentirte empoderada, a que no estés pensando que estás sola, desamparada, porque hay mucho que conocer, hay mucho por aprender. Te invito.
Maria had this brilliant idea of organizing this project. It's called Survivors Economically Empowered.
Most times, people would think domestic violence only happens verbally or it only happens physically, which is not true. And we realize the importance of financial abuse when the survivor is at a point in their journey when they're taking the charge back, of their life and their finances. And then they realize that they need help with the knowledge and the tools. And that's exactly what we do in this program.
North Shore is honored to partner with Between Friends through our Community Investment Fund. Supporting survivors of domestic abuse is a great example of what our fund was set up to do. Help improve our community's health and well-being, advance health equity, and support local economic growth through impact, outcomes, and engagement.
This current grant that we got from North Shore is helping us with our survivor services in two huge areas. One is, of course, bringing on board a bilingual Spanish-speaking counselor, and the other one is continuing with our A Night Out program. And with this funding, we're also able to provide resources for self-care for our staff and ongoing professional development for equity, diversity, and inclusion for not only the staff, but the board and community as well.
Knowing that there is a Latino face at the same room with them, it just brings comfort, kind of connection. Because surviving domestic violence carries a lot of shame and a lot of feelings of feeling guilty. But then when they see others in community, are like, okay, I think I'm not isolated.
This is life-saving and life-changing work, and I think the support that we're able to get from the Community Fund just furthers that. We're able to reach more individuals and have a greater impact on our community.